Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to today's class where we will see 5 mistakes that we commonly do while practicing Bhastrika Pranayama. These are questions many of you have asked against my previous video. So we'll be addressing each one of them. The most common comment that I see for Bhastrika Pranayama is, should I be breathing in and out through the nose or mouth? When you breathe in through your mouth, you bypass the natural filtration, the moisture and the pressure control that is provided by the nose. So in Bhastrika, we are going to be breathing in and out through our nose, and the inhalation and exhalation is forceful. The second confusion is about how our abdomen and chest moves when we breathe in and out. In Bhastrika Pranayama, our focus is more on our chest. So as you breathe in, the chest moves out. As you breathe out, you collapse. The third common mistake that we see is bad posture, wherein we round our shoulders, spine has collapsed, chest has collapsed, where hands are just kept in front. Instead of that, open your chest, giving enough room for the lung to expand and contract. Keep your spine straight. If you need to begin with, take the support of the wall. Keep your palms in front of your shoulders. When you open it, your thumb should be here. So, you're kind of nice, open and wide. As you inhale, reach up, exhale, bring it down, keeping your shoulders relaxed. Keep a smile on your face so that your jaw is relaxed, your face is relaxed. The fourth common question is, should we focus on pushing our abdomen out and in, or the focus has to be more on our chest as we breathe in and out? In Bhastrika, we are doing both, like your abdomen and your chest, but the focus is more on your chest. 75% is in your chest because the rib cage acts like a bellow. This is an instrument that blacksmiths use so that they can keep the flame going strong. Like you're opening your ribs and compressing your rib cage. So our focus is more here. As we inhale, it moves out. As we exhale, it collapses. The last question that I commonly see is, who should avoid the practice? If you have uncontrolled high blood pressure, you suffer from asthma, and you're pregnant, you can either modify the practice to keep it slow and gentle, or completely avoid, especially with uncontrolled high blood pressure. Thank you so much for being here. If you have any more questions related to Bhastrika or anything else in yoga, please write to me in the comments below. If you are new here, remember to subscribe to my channel, and if you thought this class was valuable, please like and share. Namaste.